calling.
Undersecretary General, the high-level thematic debate on achieving the Sustainable Development Goals is taking place here at the United Nations. In this context, can you give us an overall assessment as to how the member states are progressing in implementing the goals?
As we know, the Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development Goals actually went into operation on the 1st January this year, 2016. Actually, the member states, a great number of them, started their preparation or even implementation last year. So I've been greatly encouraged by the actions taken by national governments and by other stakeholders. For instance, just yesterday I attended a seminar organized by major groups and other stakeholders. Just that simple example, we see how people from different walks of life are mobilized for the implementation. Another encouraging sign is that, I just gave an example. At the forthcoming July high-level political forum, there will be, I think there will be at least 22 national governments volunteered for national reviews. This includes both developed and developing countries. You will see the enthusiasm at the national level, at the regional level, at the global level. They are encouraging and they are very positive.
What are some of the main challenges in realizing the 2030 agenda?
There will be a great deal of difficulties and challenges because this is an unprecedented development plan for 193 member states of the United Nations. I could not give you the complete list of all the challenges, but I can name a few. First is the change of a mindset. You know, we are not implementing just an economic growth plan. We are implementing a plan that is sustainable and that will cover three aspects: economic, social, and environmental. If you cannot understand this, then you'll fail at the beginning. Secondly, the cross-cutting nature. All these goals and targets, many of them are interlinked, cut across many areas. So you need change in institutions, arrangements. For instance, one ministry in the country cannot deal with everything. You need the whole government be on board, supported by people and private sectors and many more. Thirdly, I think the localizing the goals and targets into their national strategies are very important. And last but not least, I think the capacity building. For instance, the statistics, the information-based plans. If you don't know how many people who are living in your country under extreme poverty, how could you proceed with the program and saying, we are leaving nobody behind? You are, in fact, not in the knowledge how many people are leaving behind.
Your department, the Department of Economic and Social Affairs, or DESA, is mandated to work in promoting economic and social development. Mm-hmm. What is the DESA doing to support member states in implementing the SDGs?
Well, we have been very busy already. As you see, the ECOSOC forum on financing for development has just finished. That is one of the deliverables from the Addis Ababa Action Agenda. Now we are planning the forum on science, technology, and innovation. Again, this is another achievement of Addis Agenda. That will provide a platform for member states, rich and poor, developing and developed, to have exchange views on how to implement SDGs with the relevant technology and innovations. And we are also trying, through this forum, provide information of affordable technologies to developing countries. We have just finished the Development Cooperation Forum in Brussels, Belgium, and that was designed and mandated for financing for development. Of course, we are preparing at least 22 countries for their national voluntary review reports. And we are busy with the ECOSOC Bureau members in the preparation for July high-level political forum. So we have been doing what we can to prepare the ground for big events taking place relating to implementation of SDGs, and also we are ready to support the member states.
Thank you, Undersecretary General.
You're most welcome.